again. No more quarantine for this spring. Woo woo. Are we ready? We're back to the mask makeup. Sorry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it. I do it every time. That's so funny. Hey guys, and welcome. I have one more thing to say. That Orly nail polish brand, my Richard, he loves that. Yeah, it's good stuff. I like That's what he was telling me. He told me to get some. Yeah. Okay, now? Yeah, I think so. Hey everybody, and welcome back. Hailey's back. 31 days of Halloween makeup extravagant. That's all. That's like in my brain. I was doing a voiceover for another video. No, I was just talking in a regular video. And I was literally like, hi everybody, welcome back to my channel for 31 days of Halloween makeup extravaganza. And I'm like, that's drilled into me forever. Well, not today. Today is another edition of Ipsy versus Ipsy, Mother versus Daughter. Glam Bag Plus edition. So if you guys are new, what we do is we take the Ipsy Glam Bag, which is $25 a month, and we put it up against each other. Can you tell? She's not been here in a while, so she's got to check everything back out. New thing. If you guys are new to Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, it is $25 a month plus tax. It is profile based, and you now get to choose 3 out of the 5 items. 3 you choose, 2 of them Ipsy chooses for you based off of your profile. Yeah, I'm gonna pull up my Ipsy app. Okay, so if you're excited to see what is in our October 2020 Glam Bag Plus, then let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay guys, so just a disclaimer, this is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, we chat, we talk, we unbox, and remember, we embrace the hot mess. We keep it cute, or we put it on mute. So cute. Okay, you go first. You want to go first? I'm still pulling my bag up. Okay, I go first. Yeah. So the first item in my bag is by Lovecraft Beauty. It's an eyeshadow palette. Mine's different. That's different. It's same but different. We never get same but different. Wait, unless it's a song? Like shade. We're the same but we're different. That's so. It's not a real song. No, it's not. I thought it was like from Frozen or something. I mean, it's probably a song, but that what I was just singing was not a real song. Well, you sold me. Cool. Okay, so mine is like green, olive, brown, gold tones. It's really pretty. I like it. Mine is purple, cool tones. Where is it? Oh, that is pretty. So these have a retail value of $35, and these are full size. And this, I don't believe, is actually one that I picked. Is this one you picked on yours? Because they no longer put it, like, here's the card out of Hailey's bag. And for some reason on the $25 bags, they don't give you the information, so you've got to go into your app. Okay, so this is one that Ipsy must have picked for me. So my next item is another item I did not pick. It is the Tarte High Performance Natural Shape Tape Setting Powder. What shade did you get? Wait, sample not for sale. Translucent. Okay. So did you know they had this? Because I was like... I saw it when I was picking my items that I was going to get it. Oh, yeah, I did not. So this has a retail value of $34. Oh, look, that's a mirror. That's what I did my first time. But look, is there a pom-pom in there? Like a poofy? Like a spongy? Hailey, you're holding it. What? The poofy spongy. I thought there was another one. This one's like a poof one. I thought there'd be like a sponge. No. Okay, so my next item is by Araceli, I think is how you say it. And it is gel pencil eyeliners. You get 2 of them. And they're both like brown. One is more bronzy and one is more chocolate. What the heck? And did I pick it? I guess I would have. Where's one of my items? Nuh-uh. I'm scammed. It's not. Oh! Did you hit your head today? No, just no. No. No, for real. Look, this is all that's left in here. And look, I'm supposed to get this, that, and my Ciate London. Well, hold on. What's all in this bag? Well, this was not an add-on. It's a literal part of this bag. Oh.
Oh dang, they what?
Duped. I paid for this one.
Well, my next item is by Violet Voss. This is something I picked, and it is in the shade Adore 960, and it is a lip gloss, and it's really pretty. See? So pretty. Oh, so pretty. Lost my mind. My tummy hurts. Oh, I forgot to. Did I?
What?
No.
Take your pill.
Yeah, that's what I was wondering. I think I did. So bold.
Okay.
Your next item?
So my next item is this half cake double feature lip duo in Rich and ASAP.
Oh.
So the sparkly one is Rich, and this pinky one is ASAP.
That's pretty.
Yeah, it's a gloss.
It's pretty.
A thick gloss.
It's like a shifter.
No, it's really rude for you to angle the mirror that far over when you know I'm going to be filming with you.
When you get called out by your 20-year-old.
Well, it's because you know I'm in the mirror every single time I come over. I have to look at something that I'm doing. Okay. And you're always just like, turn it towards me only so Hailey won't lean over. I'm still going to do it. You do it on purpose.
I do not.
Let me tell them how much this retails for first.
My bad.
This retails for $20.
For two?
Yeah.
Cool. So my last item is a nail polish duo that I guess I picked. It's by...
It shows you in your app if you picked it.
I did. Because, like, I did. I just can't focus right now because my belly hurts. We just ate and I wasn't the best at taking my stomach meds today. So it's letting me know. So I got two nail lacquers by Misha Beauty. There you go. Pretty. Yeah. It's okay.
Oh, I thought that was gray. Is it a clear color?
No. Well, one's clear. One's like
pinky.
Yeah.
Like a
pastel-y.
Okay, so my last item, that shouldn't be my last item because one of my items that are missing and I'm salty about it, is this,
Trustique?
Yes. Trustique Define and Sculpt and Set Brow Pencil. So 3-in-1. And, wait, what? Oh no, it's brow pencil. I was about to say, if this is an eyeliner, I'm gonna cry. It's in the shade Americano, and I picked this. Okay, I sure did indeed. Wow, that's huge.
Yeah,
let me tell you how much this is. Disappointment. This retails for $24, and it's like a...
It's like the IT Cosmetics.
And then put that on. And then the mascara brow gel.
Ooh, that's a big brush.
The end. Well, look at that. The bristles were only really long on one side and short on that other side. So that's pretty cool.
Interesting.
So yeah, will I forget that there's a brow mascara down there? Yes.
So what are your thoughts?
Try really hard not to.
Wait, what was blah, 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 blah.
My last item was supposed to be the Ciate London Loose Translucent.
Oh, I see.
What's it called? It starts with an E. Did I say eccentric? Because I didn't mean to say that.
You didn't.
In my head, I kept saying it. It was like yelling it. The Extraordinary Translucent Powder was supposed to be the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. If you watched my Ipsy Glam Bag unboxing, well, it's actually both in one, actually. I didn't do two separate videos because I forgot. Mine was only halfway full in that, and then I picked that to be one of my items, not realizing I was going to get it in PR, not realizing it was going to be halfway full, and then it just didn't even come in my bag, so I am kind of really like, what the heck? That's not a good taste in my mouth. So funny. Okay,
so, minus them forgetting that thing, what are your thoughts?
It was a good bag. I like both the items they picked for me, and I liked all three of the items. Well, all the two items that I picked for myself.
Yeah, I gotta agree. I was quite pleased. So, yeah, I definitely like this bag better than I liked last month. That's for sure. And I actually liked it better than my PR bag.
But we also get to pick 3 items in this one. So I feel like this one's I wish my head was small enough to fit in this bag, because that would have been so funny if I just disappeared like that.
Hailey. Okay. So that's everything, guys. Alright, we're going to go ahead and unbag our Ipsy Glam bag, the $12 bag, next. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. We're getting back into the groove. It's late in the day, so there's that. But anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, help us out. Give me a big thumbs up. Make sure to go check out Hailey's channel. She's doing 31 days of Halloween over there.
It's exhausting. I'm going to drop dead. I'm almost done though, so hey.
Okay, guys, until next time, as always, we hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye.